Look at this beautiful Coca-Cola cooler. And the slider switch got melted. I don't know if you can see it.